Hey girls, I'm back with the video I promised you. So earlier I was doing an unboxing for Ipsy, one of the ones I got this month. And I got a mascara, and like I said in my last video, it's one of my favorite products. So I love wearing mascara every day. Love, love, love wearing mascara. Just got this one, so I'm going to give it a shot, see how it works on my lashes, if I like it or not. I'm going to use my crimper. So I'm going to make my eyelashes have a little bit more volume, have a little bit more boop out there. Look at me, lashes. So what I like to do is I like to crimp my eyelashes first. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And I like to squeeze it a few times just to get it curled. So you see how it looks a little different now than this one. I'm going to go ahead and do this one as well. Oh. And by the way, guys, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I just wanted to do this video because I know I promised y'all I would, and I don't want to skip out on a promise. So we're going to go ahead and give it a little swish, wipe the excess off, and then start brushing on. So what I like to do is I like to swivel the brush back and forth versus going straight up. I feel like it gives you a little bit more volume than the usual. Usually whenever I'm doing my makeup, I like to do like 3 different mascaras because I feel like it just gives it more character, should I say. But today we're only going to do this one because I want to give it a shot. It's a first time usage. That looks pretty cute. I'm going to layer it a few more times just to give it a little more darkness to it. Let's do the other eye though. So back and forth, back and forth. I feel like it makes your eyelashes a lot longer. I hope y'all guys are enjoying this video. I hope it's very helpful for somebody out there and they can use my tips on how I do my everyday makeup. So, and then usually I like to let them dry. Looks good. I like it. It's real cute. Usually I like to let them dry a little bit so I can crimp them again to make them a little bit more flashy. If you do it too soon, sometimes your lashes stick to the back of this and it's just not fun. I like to wipe the extraness off as well. So let's see. It's looking good so far though. I like it. I totally like it. It's probably going to be one of my dailies. Oh yeah, look at that. That's cute. Let's see. Let's crimp it a little bit more. I feel like it could use a little more crimping. I know my eye looks weird. It's funny, but a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. Okay. Something's happening. Something's happening. Let's put a little more product on there. Oh, yes, honey. Look at that. It's coming together. Let's see. Okay, it looks different now. Look at that. Okay, so this is I1 over here, and this is I2. So I haven't re-crimped this one yet. This one does look like it has a little more volume in it than the other. I like it. Let's keep going and see what happens. So you stick it in there, get your eyelashes in there, make sure you're crimping, pressing and squeezing. Just be careful with your skin because sometimes if you pinch yourself, it definitely hurts. All right, So my number 2. All right. Okay, so this is without any eyeliner, any eyebrows, or anything. And I mean, it looks okay. Kind of clumped up over here on the end. Just a little, but it's okay. It'll do. Subscribe. Ooh. Subscribe to this video. Tell me what you think. Follow me. Leave comments. Like my video. And continue following my movement. Y'all have a good night.